Hi, it's Bill with the Home Premier team bringing you the real estate market update for December 2021. Not all was merry in the final month of the year as the number of new listings took a slow downturn of 8.7% from 481 homes to 439. The number of closed sales also had quite the blue Christmas as it dipped 17.7% from 871 homes to 717. Pending sales held pretty steady with a 1.7% increase, taking us from 515 homes to 524. One of the biggest jumps we see in December's report is the decrease in available homes. A 39.5% decrease takes us from 754 homes available in December 2020 to just 456 homes in 2021. Following that same suit was the month supply of inventory dropping 45.5% from 1.1 months to 0.6 months. As inventory stayed low and demand remained high, the number of days on market decreased 10% from 20 days to 18. With a new home being on so many buyers' Christmas lists, sellers were able to increase the sales price of their homes by an average of 15.8% from $270,860 to $313,672. It may not be the most jolly real estate report, but maybe the new year will bring in some new trends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.